Hey everyone, I'm Brittany Washburn. Thank you so much for coming back if you are one of my regulars. This is the last installment of my summer series all about technology tools in the classroom, setting up a technology lab, all that cool stuff. This last one in particular is great for any teacher, grades K through 5 probably, elementary teachers. And we're going to go through a list of 10 websites that can be used on both tablets and laptops. If you're anything like me, you have mixed tech because you had to use grant funding and just whatever you could get your hands on to build the tech in your classroom. So you probably have iPads or some other kind of tablet, laptops, desktops, iPod touches. So any of these websites that I tell you about, you'll be able to use on any device that you have, which is awesome. All right, so I'm going to flip you over and I'm going to show you, because I have the list on a website, so I'm going to show you that. Hold on just a moment. All right, if you don't already know about this really awesome website, technologytoolsforteachers.com, you're going to want to head over and check it out. So this is a collaborative blog, which means there are a whole bunch of collaborators that all post their content. And our tagline is where classrooms and technology collide, because we are all about helping out the classroom teacher. I try to not have this be shaky. We have 3 categories on this blog, which are technology tips for teachers, technology tools for teaching, and technology tools for life and business. So you can find the blog posts in any one of those categories just by clicking on it. And then below that, we have, if you want to find us on Facebook, we have a Facebook page. If you want to follow the blog so that you get emails whenever a new post is up, you can do that. But what I want to point out is our recent posts that we have right now. I'm going to click on the 4th one down, 10 websites that work on both laptops and tablets. But we have some really, really great content that we've been coming up with over the summer. So check them out, which is awesome. So this is a post that I wrote, 10 websites that work on both laptops and tablets. And I have the list on just a little picture. So if you wanted to pin that to your site, you certainly, or to your own Pinterest boards, you can, so that you can get back to it or share it with other teachers. Any of that's totally fine. All right, so over here, websites 1 through 10 here, and I did link each one of them so you can just click on it and go. I'm going to kind of talk through them. And then there's another graphic there if you want that has the pictures of what the websites look like. All right, so turtlediary.com is the number 1 on my list, and it has all kinds of different academics. So I think it's a great site for early finishers or specific centers if you want to set them up. PBSkids.org, you've probably heard of that one before. These are more games, and they can help your students master their computer skills, like the mouse or the trackpad, or click or double click, click and drag, all that. MobyMax, if you don't know about MobyMax, I'm going to click on this one. It is a really incredible tool that you can use. It's free to sign up. I recommend, if you want to use it with your whole class, to sign up for it, or you can ask parents to sign up and have them just make an account for their student. It's for every subject, K through 8. If you do sign up as a teacher, they have a really great program where their tablets are really, really cheap. So it's like an amazing deal if you were looking to get some more devices in your classroom. The last time I checked, they were $99, and the tablet doesn't only work for MobyMax. It can get on the internet. So that's a really awesome tool. I love it for test prep and just for extra practice. Let me come back here. KhanAcademy.org has videos to teach concepts, and that works on both laptops and tablets, which is really cool. ProdigyGame.com, so that's math, and more math, but it's really, really, really fabulous. That's what a tool that you'll definitely want to recommend to families to use at home and use in your classroom. PrimaryGames.com is a great collection of learning games. I know that I typed that right on there. I'm going to click on this one too, just in case you've never seen it before. We'll let it load up. So when you use this on a tablet, it will tell you which games are tablet friendly, and so you'll know to be able to choose those. But it has a really good collection of learning games for students. So that's what that one looks like. Next we have Seussville, so that's going to be probably for more of the primary grades, and that is some really fun, just computer skills. Topmarks.co.uk. Seriously, the UK is ahead of us for really awesome websites, but you can, as the teacher, if you want to use this as a center or something, you can find a topic, so you can browse by subject or by age group. So you can choose what you want your students to work on, which is why this is really great for any level of learners, which is awesome. So obviously it's in the UK, so their grades are a little bit different. The majority of us would be in the key stage. So then it shows you, it has whether it's tablet friendly or not. So you can choose which activities to go to, which is really cool. All right, let's head back, a couple left. Timeforkids.com, nonfiction reading. Of course, they'll love it. So that's anytime you want to send them there. I recommend doing QR codes, which I can do another post about if you want to know how that's working, or how to use a QR code. So that's cool. And then with sciencekids.co.nz, and I want to point out on this little graphic, I forgot the kids. It's supposed to be sciencekids.co. If you've never seen this site before, it is perfect. So let's say that you're learning a brand new topic and you just want your students to go and grab a couple of facts about it. That is what I use this for all the time. But up at the top, it has experiments, games, facts, quizzes, projects, lessons, images, videos, topics. It has so much great information. Not all of it is going to be done on the computer. Like a lot of these experiments are going to explain how to do the experiment in real life. They're not like a game. Whereas some of the games are going to be online games. Some are going to be ones that you can create. So if you are a science teacher like I am now, you'll definitely want to check sciencekids.co.nz. Let me get back. All right, so there is our list of 10 amazing websites that work on both laptops and tablets, which is really cool. And a little quick intro to technology tools for teachers. So I'd love it if you go check it out. It's just technologytoolsforteachers.com. You might want to bookmark it because we have some really cool stuff coming up and being scheduled. And we just had a post go live like an hour ago, how to use Google Forms in the classroom. So it's a really great one to read. They're all really great so far. I love it. And the people that I'm working with are really talented writers and explainers. So I think you're really going to like it too. All right, let me flip myself over. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you watch the playback, thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me at all, leave them in the comments. And if you would like this these tech tools, I guess, to continue throughout the school year, let me know what would be some topics that you'd love for me to talk about. And you can just do that in the comments, or send me a message. You guys know how to find me. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and until next time, bye.